Hi Earth Magic Essentials. Today I'm taking you along with me while I make my face toner. I was running out and I thought, well, if I need to make some, I might as well show you how I do it. So today we're making face toner, and let's see, we got distilled water, witch hazel, joba oil, and the essential oils I picked out today is lavender, tea tree, and frankincense. Have you guys ever made anything DIY with essential oils? There is hundreds of recipes, and today we're doing the DIY face toner. So first, I have my little bottle here that I always use, but it needs to be filled up again. We have the witch hazel. Witch hazel is good for the all-around skincare. Like it says here in the back of the bottle, it says face toner, anti-inflammatory, cleanses and conditions the skin, helps control excess oil, tightens and refines pores, reduces skin blemishes, and also great for burns and bites and bruises. Just overall great for skin. So I use witch hazel and fill this up halfway. This is the bottle that I use for my face toner is a 4-ounce bottle. So it's about 2 ounces of witch hazel. There we go, halfway filled up. Okay, then I use the joba oil because it does not clog your pores. This is the type of oil that is great to use for your face because you don't have to worry about it clogging your pores. It's great moisturizer if you have drier skin. I have drier skin, normal dry skin, so I use 5 droppers. If you have oily skin, maybe try a little less, but the witch hazel helps with the oily skin. Alright, so I got the joba oil. The next, I want to use these 3 essential oils. There are so many essential oils that are great for the skin, but these are the ones that I picked out that I like best for me. I picked out lavender because it calms the skin, any redness or any irritants, you know. I like it how it just is calming. So I'm going to put 5 drops of lavender in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I also like tea tree because it's great for blemishes of the skin, keeps your skin clear. So I really like the tea tree. I have to put that in there. 5 drops of that. And I like frankincense because frankincense is great for aging skin. So dark spots, wrinkles, soothing the skin that way. So I add 5 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is good for everything. You'll find that I use frankincense in a lot of things. Alright, so we got the ingredients. Now all we have to do is the distilled water to fill the rest of the way up. There we go. And face toner is used after you cleanse your skin. So you cleanse your skin first, which I make my own cleanser. I'll do another DIY with that. Cleanse your skin first, and then you use the face toner. And the toner is used to close down your pores so none of the dirt and environments get into your pores, and also helps with blemishes and keeping those away as well. Then if you have a moisturizer, that's great to use for your 3rd step. So this is your face toner, you guys, if you like to make your own DIYs. Okay, and then you're good to go. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, and also go to my website, www.earthsmagicessentials, and subscribe for my newsletter there. So much information through your email. If you have any questions, let me know.